This is a tile, and it's a tracker, and it's pretty thin. And what I'm going to do is sit it at the bottom of the bike battery housing component and just let it sit there or on the side, so that my bike, if it ever gets stolen, is going to be trackable. Now you can go to the website tile.com and just have a look at how it works, but it's pretty cool. If I ever lose my phone, I just need to push that button there, tile, and it will ring my phone if it should ever get lost. My phone, that is, which it has. So I'm just going to put it in this plastic bag. I don't know why, maybe just for dust and protection. Put the battery in here. Stick it down the side here, and find my bike should it get lost.